Hey guys, what's going on? We're back with another video. Today we're going to be showing you everything you need to know about making a YouTube right after this. Okay guys, so in today's video we're showing you every single thing you will ever need to know about making a thumbnail plus more. Okay, maybe there will be some more stuff you need to learn. But you guys, if you really want to learn what you're going to be needing to know about making thumbnails, stick along to the end of the video and you should learn everything you need to know about making a good thumbnail for free. And it's going to be an awesome video, so just stick along to the end. And if you guys saw my last video, I showed you guys everything you need to know about editing a video. We got the video completely edited, a very solid video. It's a good video. It builds up, it hypes you guys all up, and then boom, everything just happens. It just makes you go wow. So today I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know to make a free thumbnail. So to start this off, we're going to be making the snowboard thumbnail for that video we just made. So we're going to open up Chrome or any type of browser you use, and you're going to go to canva.com. There it is. Going to bring that up. And then right here, you're going to go and type in YouTube thumbnails. Let's give it a second to load. There we go. YouTube thumbnails. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to go to create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Bring that up. You can close the other tab. You're not going to need that anymore. And then you're going to go to upload. So right here is all the pictures I've uploaded in the past of all my other YouTube videos and thumbnails. So you're going to go to that video you just made. So open up your files, go to videos, and find the video. So last one we named just skiing. Go here, and here's the most important part of the video. You're going to need to find a very good part of the video that just briefly shows a very easy picture to look at, something that you're going to understand right when you see it. And that's going to be your thumbnail. So let's look right coming up here. I've used some of these before, but I think this one. Okay, that right there. So I can find something else. Normally I don't like to do jumps because they're all white and then they blend in really well. I like using this right here. Ooh, actually. That right there is not a bad thumbnail. Let's see about this cranberry barrel. That right there we can't really see ourselves. So we're going to go over and we're going to use this right here. So we're going to stop it right there. We're going to click on the little pencil in the corner. And we're going to click on Save Photo from Video. Going to open this up. And it should take us right to where we were. Okay, yep, there we go. And we're just going to look for a good spot in the video where we look clear and you can see the entire rail. So right there looks pretty darn good. Put this one, then let's go to the top corner and push Save Photo. Or Save a Photo. Let's give it a second as it loads. Okay, and there it goes. Let's just make sure it went over here. Doesn't look like it went over. I'm not sure why it does this. Sometimes it'll do it where it doesn't save it right to your files. So we're going to quick try it again. We're going to close the files because I know that had something to do with that. Oh, actually, I'll open up VSDC there. Quick try saving it again. Interesting. Not sure why it's not. I don't need this open. I'm gonna try it one more time. If not, we're gonna do my backup plan, which is just screenshotting it. And I'm not sure why it does this. Sometimes it doesn't save it right away. So if this happens, you can always just go Windows G. And it'll bring up this if you have Windows. And then you can just screenshot. And right there, just take a screenshot of our background. Okay, so that works. So we're just going to open up file location. And we're just going to take this picture that we just took, or the screenshot right here, and we're going to quick throw it into pictures. Therefore, we know where it is. We're going to go back over to Canva. We're going to click Upload Media. Go to that picture we just took, which is going to be right there, and open that up. That right there is how we just got a picture. That's really simple. That took me not even a minute. So we're just going to wait for this to fully upload, and then we're just going to shrink out everything that we don't need in this picture. We don't need any of this. And boom, right there. That stripe just took me a minute, and we already have a good thumbnail started. Or we already have the picture for it. So now we're going to add in all the text and everything we need to know. So this video, we're going to need to come up with a good, strong name for it. And I'm not quite sure what to use yet, but I'm just going to quick look at the fonts and see what I come up with. Let's just name this like Granite Peak, Wisconsin. That's pretty solid. So we're going to delete this. No, wrong button. Try that again. So we're going to grab this. I only want to use the birthday part on this one because that has the nicest font. And we're just going to do Granite Peak 2022. This one I like to use. We're going to make it a bit bigger. And then we're going to put it right under here. So what I'm going to do is just black. That's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to copy it, paste it, and then guess what? We just put it over itself. So now we can dye this one red. I love doing this trick. And just shift it a bit to the side. And there we go. Now our words are outlined. So this is a really good way to do it. And I'm going to quick outline the rail because it'll make it a bit easier for people to see. And also make the thumbnail a bit better. So I'm going to go to Elements. I'm going to take this right here. I like this arrow, so it's kind of fun to play around with. And I'm just going to move it, and I'm going to stick it from here, and then you can just grab this, and it's so easy. Just like that. Now I'm going to color it. White isn't the greatest. I think we'll do red or blue. We'll do blue, it's a bit more subtle, but still lets you see it. Now this one, we're going to flip this one around as well. Just going to drop it down here and just going to do the same. Put that there. Grab this end, put it down there. It can't get any simpler than that. And then we're just going to move this one up a bit. Put that right there. And we're going to take one more and just drop in between the two. It just outlines the rails, and for some reason my video seems to do better when I use this. So I like to always outline the rails like this. There we go. That looks pretty good. Okay, and that right there is basically it. There's a few more things we can do for little final touches that I like to do. We can change the colors. I think the colors on this one's pretty good because the sky really pops and the red letters. I like the shading on this one. So we're going to go over to Files, Download, and then Download. And some of the problems you might have with this, if it says Canva Pro on it, let's see if I can find it. Let's just look up snowboard. So if it has this little crown by it and it says Canva Pro, it'll have a watermark on it, which no one likes watermarks. And so I wouldn't use any of those. I'd use all the free ones like this one here. It just makes your videos easier to do, and like the things won't have watermarks all over, and it also won't let you download for free if you have watermarks in it. So yeah, that's basically it. Like that right there took us 3 minutes, and you guys just got a pretty good thumbnail. Like that does not look bad at all. So then we're gonna go over to YouTube. And we're gonna go over to our channel. Also, while we're here, guys, I realized only about 10% of you guys, or it's maybe even at 4%, are actually subscribed. So if you guys could all just go down, push the subscribe, like, and notification button, it really does help out the channel because my views right now haven't been doing the greatest. And I know it can be doing a lot better with you guys out there. So if you guys could really just go do that, it really means the world to me. And even if you made it to this far in the video, it really helps a ton. So yeah, moving on. We're going to go up here. We're going to push the little create button, or the little camera. Upload video. We're going to select the video that we just edited in the last video. Let's quick find it. It's under videos. And then we're going to go down to upload thumbnail. And then that thumbnail we just want, it's going to be under download. It's going to be the top one. And there we go. You guys just made your very own thumbnail from scratch for free and uploaded it. So that's really all there is to it, guys. And if you want to see a video where I show you guys how to make your titles and everything, leave a comment down in the description. I might just do that for you guys. And as always, thank you so much for watching. It really does mean the world, as I was saying. And see you guys in the next one.